Welcome back to another episode of Two Drunk Dads, the show where we make the drinks that we drink on the show, where we drink drinks and talk about stuff.
Two Drunk Dads!
Today we're going to make a Dark and Stormy. Stop doing stuff.
Sound effects. Necessary.
First ingredient in Dark and Stormy is ginger beer. And you're going to put about 3 ounces of ginger beer in each glass. Which, yep, that's right.
Bam.
And then you're going to want about an ounce of whatever rum you like.
Private stock. Oh my god, this thing's so difficult to open. ASMR. You hate that. I know.
Spill it on the table.
Pour one out for your homies.
Like I always do. It's cool, Jared has to clean it up.
Oh my god, I hate my life.
And then just a splash of lime juice. If you're bougie, get real limes. We're not.
Bougie.
I'm done. Oh wait.
Super easy.
Now we gotta try it.
Let's taste.
Yeah, it tastes just like a Dark and Stormy.
Tastes both dark and stormy.
It's better than the last time we made it.
Very easy drink for you to make at home. Really, really quickly. As you can see, less than 3 minutes. Incredibles.
It's a ghost.
All right. Well then.
This is the second time we caught a ghost on camera.
It totally is. I guess at that point, we will see you on the show.